Tara.
Yeah.
From the moment I met you, the look you had in your eyes, the conversations that we had, I knew that I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. You make me the happiest man on earth, alive, and I promise to be the best version of myself that I can be, to look after you and to eat and Eden forever. Will you marry me?
Suddenly goes away somehow.